Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and duplicate a page in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and from here go to the Adobe Acrobat page. Once you open up Adobe Acrobat, we can get started. It's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page from where you can go ahead and take a look at the recommended tools for you section. This is a great section for beginners to show us what tools are in our disposal and what we can do with the program. But basically, let's go ahead and take a look at ways to duplicate pages. So you're going to go ahead and be able to duplicate your pages using the edit a PDF option right here. That's going to enable you to modify or add pages, but keep in mind that this is only a premium tool. So as you can see, once you click on it, edit a PDF, it's going to show you why we need to upgrade and how we can do so. So you can click to see all the plans and take a look at which one suits you the most to get started with upgrading. From here, you can go ahead and get started. So once you've upgraded your plan, now we can get started following the steps. Right here, we have an article on the official Adobe website on 3 ways to duplicate pages in a PDF. So the first one is to copy and paste your passages in a PDF document. So you can follow either this step, or to duplicate PDF page, you can use the PDF editor just like I showed you, where you can click the tools on the top toolbar once you open up the edit page, and then you can select organize pages and get started holding the control button and dragging any pages you want to duplicate to a new location, saving the PDF, and this is how to go and do so in this section right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.